Right here.
Have you ever seen champions go
Damn, Steve, they quit fucking up.
Nah, that's actually perfect. Yeah, that's my dick. That's perfect.
I'm calling you for that one, cause yeah, I don't got a resume for that.
Y'all can suck it right out of her.
I don't got a resume for that.
No, that does actually look really good.
Y'all can suck it right out of her.
That's not in my job.
Just like that.
I don't get paid for that.
Nah, like you can fuck with it like that. You can fuck with it like that, but like I'm normally not a fender flare fucking type of person.
But on this part, it's needed.
I like this.
Man, why you still over here doing donuts and burnouts in New York?
What do you mean?
I'm about to jump on this bitch! I'm gonna do the Harlem Shake, nigga! Put that word.
Literally wait till I fucking fit this motherfucker in the I've been here for 4 hours putting the thing on. Nobody touches it. Alright, let's move it out. Let's get it.
You a liar! You ain't doing nothing! Let Karen say you ain't doing shit!
Let's do it right now.
Wait for it, wait for it. Oh, he's about to touch it. Touch it! Hey, we gotta shut it, shut it. Open the door.
Alright, I'm gonna hold it right here and then you just drill it.
Alright, you know what Steven listed, boy.
He got the double. He got the double.
Don't worry about that. Akiba.
He got the double to Makita.
Akiba.
Are you doing the Wakanda Forever challenge?
no, I'm doing is shut the fuck up.
You like, man, why come all my shit be flying off?
you know I wanna shine.
Because you're in here, you don't put it on right. Man, that thing ain't shit for that nigga. Man, there you go on this corporate on your car.
I woke up
You call me Mama? Nah, you gotta say Mama.
type of money she for me, she got a fucking
You don't say, you don't pronounce your shit.
Whoa.
They say you ain't shit. Mama. Oh, you scratched it. Oh, you're fired.
Was you able to get that on?
Badass for them.
Yeah. Heart just turned purple. 3C fresh immersion with the Secret Service. Shit is so obvious. This is your hobby. Champagne, ring bells in the streets of Jamaica. Started at the crib. Look how far.
I got plantar fasciitis.
What the hell you said, boy?
I think I got plantar fasciitis. That's their foot thing.
Yeah, we can tell you've been watching a little bit too much Discovery.
Don't be around unless I spit my flow.
You want to get?
The other side. I just didn't get the side.
So I say you want a video? You doing it?
Huh?
You doing it?
If you want to go ahead, go ahead.
Nah, that's my holster and shit.
That's the Fistu?
Hey, you got a bottle of water?
Man, you are needy as fuck. Like,
It said no water for you, white boy.
in the fridge in the office.
Okay. In this office?
Yeah.
You guys want one?
Huh?
You want one?
I'm good.
Chris?
Sure.
Actually, yeah.
Drake Allspeed. Shit, fuck him.
I think that's the last 3 in there. For real.
Like, that's it.
Joe Byron ain't bought me no more water yet, so I haven't had any.
Mr. Byron, where's my agua?
Where's my agua fresca? My damn water bottle was in my car at Tesla, so I forgot to get it.
Oh, sorry. Damn, man, I'm about to be like Steven. I want to see my ass, you all this flash.
See how skinny I am, though? I'm skinny, bro.
Anytime I want to see my abs, I'll look at a picture.
Anytime I want to see my abs. I just fucking took a picture of somebody else. What do you know about that, PV? You black as hell.
Hey, where do you want to put these?
Man, I know about hotel that
I don't
California.
know about no California hotel.
I know about the hotel that California. Man, you over there drilling like you got your drill license, bro.
Hell yeah, certified.
Certified drill technician.
I'm in the driller getting it all. That Uzi.
Do you work at an oil refinery or are you just good at drilling? You know what would be really fucked up?
What?
I thought about that as I was walking by. If I was walking by just like this and I tripped and all the oil
it dumped it right through the window.
That would be really
He would
fucked
cry.
up.
I wouldn't cry.
Bro, you would see me cry.
Bro, his interior will forever smell like 10W30. Like,
Something serious.